Hi folks, today I am preparing apple gaurd masala recipe without garlic and onion. So, without any delay, let's start. As you can see, we have 500 gram apple gaurd, tomato and onion. I don't use onion recipe. I will use further it in making salad. So, I will cut all the apple gaurd in big chunk. I won't peel it because peeling vegetable is not very good, all the nutritious power it has. So I will keep aside and making tomato paste. In a blender jar, cut 2 medium size of tomato, 2 to 4 green chili as per your taste, a piece of ginger, and I will blend all these things. So I will make a fine paste. See, my masala paste is ready. Now let's make recipe. In a pressure cooker I am taking 1 tablespoon of oil, heat it, and now I will add cumin seed approximately 1 spoon, and see the asafoetida, it's very strong and very effective, so I am taking pinch of asafoetida. It is very important in this recipe. Now I am adding it and let it saute. Now I will add all the chunk of the apple gaurd, and on a high flame I will saute it 4 to 5 minutes. I will saute it and see the crust has developed. In 5 minutes it's done, and now I will take it out in a bowl. Apple gourd is very important vegetable in the summer season, so try to include in your diet. In the same pan I am taking 2 spoon of mustard oil and let it aroma came and heat it. At this stage I am adding fennel seed. Fennel seed is very important because it keep the cooling property of the vegetable intact. So saute it and add the masala paste or tomato paste which I have already prepared. Now mix it, and now I will add coriander powder approximately 2 tablespoon, fenugreek dry leaves, rub it and add it, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, red chili according to your taste, and if you want add garam masala also. You can skip it and mix it well, and now roast it till the oil releases. Cover it and on the medium flame let it cook. See, after 5 minutes masala has been perfectly cooked and aroma is very nice. It's like awesome, and it increase your hunger pang. So at this stage I will add a secret ingredient. This is sattu powder or roasted chickpea flour. Now mix it and cook for a while. After covering it, chickpea flour gives the masala a body. It becomes thick and creamy. Now let it cook. See, after 8 to 9 minutes, it is almost cooked. So at this stage, I will add water. So as per your required consistency, you can add water. I am here adding 1 cup lukewarm water. Now at this stage I will add the saute apple gourd. Apple gourd or summer season vegetable has large quantity of water, so its masala paste should be more thick. So like this you can make in your kitchen. Add regular salt as per your taste and let it whistle it. Cover it and let it cook. 2 whistle has done and I am cooling it as it is, and now I will open it. See, the perfectly creamy, delicious and full of aroma vegetable is ready. So no one can guess the ingredient of the recipe. Now I will serve it. You can serve it along with rice, chapati or paratha. Garnish with green coriander leaves. See, the delicious recipe is ready and it's very easy to make. So Try to in your kitchen and write back to me. So if you like my recipes, please subscribe my channel. It's totally free. Don't forget to like and share. Your support will motivate me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.